Sup, Sam? Say hi.
Hey. Did you strap it on yourself?
Yep, sure did.
Lose it.
Oh!
There's Linda!
Oh yeah, there she is.
Oh, she's alright, man.
Oh yeah. She can actually go down now.
Yeah.
Oh, she looks pretty confident.
Yeah, man. Pretty good.
Not even 1/4, straight down.
Is that an instructor with her?
Not even. Think she deserves her own lift pass now, Sam?
Nah.